Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a sled kite from the kit. You'll have, this is what we call the sail, and you'll have 2 bamboo sticks. The first thing I'd like you to do, if you've got a drawing that you would like to trace, which I recommend, is you put that roughly in the middle of the kite, and then you sticky tape each corner, see just here, with a piece of sticky tape, a long piece of sticky tape, so half the sticky tape goes on there and half goes onto the table. This is just to stop it from moving while you're actually doing your artwork. The same on the other side. I want you to have it twice as long because we're going to be doing something like that in a minute. Position your picture in the right spot and then you'll quickly trace it. I'm not going to do all of it. I'm just going to give you a rough idea of what you've got to do. So you trace your drawing, just go around here a little bit, but you could do skull and crossbones, butterflies. This is just a Pegasus. So just, I'm doing this very quickly. This is just to give you an idea of what you should do. Okay, bit of height there, and just do the wings really. Like I say, I'm only roughly doing this. It's come unstuck a little bit there. I better stick that down a bit more. So I'll just re-stick that. I didn't press down hard enough when I did that there. So once you've drawn your picture, then you can colour it in. You can use markers, texture colours, whatever you like. I don't recommend crayons, they're a little bit too hard, but pastels are great, especially if you want to do the outside areas, do skies. I think it's a great idea to go right to the edge. You know, you could do some clouds in the sky. Just colour it all away. I don't like to leave any bits of white paper. You can do grass if you want to, and then you can colour in the horse. Like I say, I'm only doing this really quickly just to give you an idea of what you should do. Skull and crossbones look great too. We'll do some yellow wings. Again, this is simple. Small children can do this. And a bit of his mane there and his tail. Okay, once you've got this all coloured into you the way you like it, then what you've got to do is to lift up the edges. Now see how that is there, the sticky tape's over. I want you to push that all the way over so it's on the back as well. Do the same on both sides. Okay, lift that up and push that over. You might have to put some more sticky tape on later if you have a bit of problem. Now, once you've got your colouring, I want you to turn it over. This is the back, so we'll call this the back now. And what we're going to do now is to put our bamboo sticks. The way I'd like you to do that, with some sticky tape the top first, make sure it's on nice and tight there, stretch the paper along, line it up with the other corner over there, and sticky tape that down as well. Okay, press it down so that the sticky tape's really holding it down, and then you can do quite a long piece if you want to, right in the middle there. Ensure that it's on nice and tight and it's definitely going to hold there. Okay, lift that up and we'll do the other side. The same thing again. Grab your bamboo, line it up from corner to corner, some sticky tape right at the end there, push it down, do the same on the other side. There we go. Put a long piece right down the middle if you can. You can go all the way along if you want to. I find this is just enough anyway. Okay, so now we've got the 2 sticks on, and I want you to turn it back to the front again. Now what we're going to do, the reason we had this sticky tape here is because I'm going to use a hole punch, line it up, and punch a nice hole. See that? Punch a hole through, do exactly the same on the other side. Push it down, right inside there. Great. Having the sticky tape on makes it stronger and it won't pull through. Now you need to get a piece of string. It's got to be approximately 3 times the width of the kite. That's about it here. And then tie that bit of string in through those holes you made. The way I do it is that I do 3 knots. 1, 2, 3, and then I pull tight. See what happens? It doesn't squash the paper or try to cut through. So that's nice and tight, shouldn't come undone. Do exactly the same on the other side. Put it through the hole, 3 knots, 1, 2, 3, pull nice and tight. Okay, now that you've done that, I want you to line the 2 holes up, because we're going to find the centre of that string. So the 2 holes are lined up. I'm just pulling these along, and just before the end I am putting a loop. So this is where we're going to attach the kite later onto the hand line. Now I want you to turn it over again, and we need to put it on a tail. The tail should be at least 3 arm widths long. 1, 2, 3. You can never have your tail too long. It helps stabilises the kite when it's flying. That's called drag. Now, with the sticky tape again, with this parallel with that stick there, just go once across the top, make sure you stick it down really well, go along the sides, 1 there, and 1 there. Okay. Now, when you're putting the other end on, I want you to run this through your fingers like that. Take all the twist out of the paper. Right? This is just crepe paper, streamers. Right along. I know it looks really long, but you'll find that it'll look beautiful flying. And then do the same on the other side. Okay, lift that up. Put that there. Parallel with that stick. A little bit either side. There and there. And a little bit there. Okay, your kite's ready to go. When you walk out with your kite, carry that in your hand. If you walk with it, drag it on the ground, somebody's going to step on it. And then I'm supplying you a hand line, and there will be a pile of these little snap swivels. Just tie it on yourself. Attach that to the loop that we made in the string. Put that on there. Clip it up, you hold onto the handle, unwind about 15 or 20 metres, stand with the wind against your back, hold the kite open like that, lift it high in the air, and then gently get your friend to hold it up in the air like that, and then gently pull it out of his hand. But the trick is, the longer the string, the better the kite will be. So you need a hole punch, maybe a pair of scissors, definitely some sticky tape, some marking pens, and some pastels to colour it in. Hope you have fun doing it. Thanks.